Hello everyone, my name is Sony Jose. Now I am going to explain about experiment number 2, that is creating calculator fields in Tableau fields and understand how they can be used to enhance analysis. Calculated fields are essentially new fields we create from existing data. They let us perform calculation, categorize data or track trends that are not directly in the dataset. To start this, I connected Tableau to an Excel dataset with sales, profit, discount and order information. Once the data was loaded, I looked for areas where calculations would help us gain insights. The first thing I did was calculate the profit ratio for each product. This is simply profit divided by sales expressed as a percentage. By creating this calculated field and adding it to a bar chart, I could instantly see which products had higher profit margins and which were underperforming. To make it clearer, I used color coding for positive and negative values so the chart was easy to interpret at a glance. Next, I worked on finding maximum and minimum sale values. I created fields using Tableau's max and min functions. This helped highlight the best and worst performing products or categories. Again, using colors made the results immediately visible, which is very useful when presenting data to managers. I also experimented with ceiling and floor functions, which round numbers up or down. This is helpful for approximating sales or creating simplified reports without losing overall accuracy. Then I analyzed regional sales performance. I created a field that classified regions as either high or low performing based on the sales threshold. Visualizing this on a map and using highlight tables made it easy to spot which regions were doing well. I also added tooltips to show the total sales for each region, which made the visualization interactive and informative. Another interesting part was the discount impact analysis. I created a field to show how discounts affected profits and plotted it on a scatter plot with the discount on the x-axis and profit on the y-axis. Filtering for discounts greater than 20% helped focus on significant cases, and it clearly showed the relationship between discounts and profitability. I also created custom sale categories classifying products as high sales or low sales based on a threshold. This segmentation made it easy to visualize product performance using bar or pie charts, which is great for business analysis. We also used parameters which lets users interactively change the behavior of the visualization. For example, I created a parameter for sales threshold so users could dynamically filter which products were considered high or low sales. This makes dashboards more flexible and user-friendly. Finally, I ranked customer segments based on total profit using the rank function and created a field to calculate total discounts over time. Plotting this in a line chart allowed me to track trends and observe patterns in discount strategies over month, which is very helpful for planning and forecasting. In short, calculator fields are extremely powerful in Tableau. They let you do arithmetic, logical comparisons and aggregations, and also enable interactive analysis with parameters. Using these fields correctly improves visualization, highlights key insights and supports better decision making. This experiment taught me that raw data alone is not enough. Calculator fields helps turn data into actionable insights, making dashboards more meaningful and effective.